Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I came across this repository from GitHub. It's called Model Context Protocol Java SDK. Let's play with this. So I will clone it first. So here is, I prefer to take SSH clone, copy it, then I will go to terminal. So let me first clear the screen. Okay, my system is hanged. Yes, fine. So let me see what is a print working directory. Okay, let me go to downloads folder, then I'll make dir here MCP, and I'll put today's date 2nd May. Okay, 2nd May 2026. Okay, fine. So cd, okay, why the caps lock is on, cd mcp. Okay, so git clone and paste it. Fine, let's see how much time it takes. Okay, not very high time, it will be done within a minute. Okay, so once it is done, fine. Now I will open my VS Code. I have GitHub Copilot also. So code, Visual Studio Code, yes, I have this. So I'll open this file and open folder. Wow, I got it. So this is here, open. Great. So it opened here, and now I will give some prompt to make something interesting with this. I don't know what it will make it. Need to learn this. So GitHub Copilot has these prompts here, and oh, it has done a lot of things on its own. And do you mind to take quick feedback survey about this? Oh, don't show this again, remind me later is better. Okay, so I have many plugins in my VS Code, so all this is happening automatically, and it is doing some import maven, I think. Yeah, you hear some sound, right, of this. So this VS Code connected with GitHub Copilot keep doing all this. This one, it is not going anyway. I will just give some prompt here. This is the Java SDK I got. It's having some MCP related code. So can you explain this to me, what best we can develop from this, which I can use locally for some benefit? My computer is connected to internet, so what I can do with this Java SDK which has MCP, what all I can do with that? Give some beginner, advanced and intermediate level use cases of this, and I will decide what else I can make with this from your input. So this is the prompt I gave. So I am using voice keyboard, so I don't have to actually type. I give enter here, so I have agent mode on, and it is doing something. It is saying activating MCP extensions. Okay, maybe it is part of GitHub Copilot. It's doing something great, I think, and it is doing some build, and hopefully it will complete. Also here our prompt is activating. It is still working internally. Maybe it is reading all the files. Okay, let's see what all things are there here. So conformance test. Okay, I just now cloned it. I have not read before making this video. I thought let's do everything live. So there is a readme and a readme file. This model provides a conformance test client. Okay, what does that mean? Anyway, let's see what else is there here. This model provides a conformance test client. Then MCP, yes, this one, Java SDK, this one. Then MCP bomb and MCP core. Okay, MCP Jackson, I think some Jackson framework, Jackson 3. Let's read the primary readme. Okay, this one is that first readme file. Well, now we got some answers from this GitHub Copilot. Let's see what is it. Okay, it is just typing everything. Let me see what is that. I'll quickly inspect the top level docs and modules and give you accurate what can be done. This SDK Java implementation MCP, which means you can build MCP servers. You expose tools, resource prompts to any MCP capable AI client. MCP clients, your Java, this one. So from your repo, the strongest signal is the core architecture. Then this gives you locally. You can run a local MCP server on your machine and let AI clients call your tool safely. You can expose your own automation as MCP tools, local files, GitOps. Okay, still it is not finding something meaningful and useful. So let me read it. Beginner use cases. Okay. Local calculator time date tool server. Oh, nice. Learn tool registration and request response flow. Local nodes lookup MCP server. Point to a folder that runs machine matching files connect content snippets. Local nodes lookup server. Point to a folder and return matching files content snippet. That is also not so useful, I think. Build in a tiny MCP client calls add numbers to test server. Intermediate use case. Repo intelligence server. Tools list file tools this CI helper MCP server. API wrapper server. Resource and prompt server. Expose reusable OAuth ready MCP client with Spring stack. Use your Spring this one. Advanced use cases. Enterprise internal tools gateway. One MCP server exposing many internal systems with role based auditing. Agentic workflow orchestrator. Tools for plan, execute, verify long running workflow with progress events SSE. Hybrid local cloud automation. Protocol compliance and regression pipeline. Multi-tenant MCP server. Domain specific pilots. What internet connectivity enables you? Pull conformance test package. Okay. Suggested path for you. Run existing servlet server conformance module. Add one custom tool you personally need. For example, Git summary. Build one small client flow that calls it. If you want, I can give you next concrete project choice from these three one by one. Personal dev assistant MCP server, GitHub plus Jira automation, local SRE diagnostic MCP server. Oh my god, none of that is finding much interesting to me. So let me go to beginner use case only. Local calculator time date tool server. Fine. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Build this in some separate folder. That folder I will be committing as a git init and my own repository on GitHub. Let me call that repository as MCP examples, and I will create as many as possible with this Java SDK MCP, whatever I cloned it. So make this one and create one UI using plain JavaScript, HTML, CSS to test this particular local calculator time date tool server. Okay, so I gave that prompt. This voice keyboard is very good, guys. I like it so much. No need to type, simply talk to your computer and your all the characters gets printed. Also it has AI inbuilt, so if we have any mistake it also corrects it. So that's nice. I'm using it from almost 2 months. I'm very happy with that. I will give you the referral link for that so that you will get 1 month free. Even I will get 1 month free. So let's see. I found an exact server, bootstrap, classes and all that. So let's see where it makes the project folder. Oh, it has not yet made. It's going on. This sound is irritating. This keeps making some sound of this while it is in progress. It sounds like some toy sound, but anyway. So the voice keyboard which I am talking about, it is this one. It's called Whisper Flow. Okay, and I use another also called Lemon AI. This one, it is also very good. And you already know what is Cloud AI, and then Chat GPT, then even this Gemini AI, and this is my recorder. I think it is. I am scaffolding a new standpoint folder called MCP examples in your workspace, and then implement. Oh, where it made? Okay, it is made here. Nice. This is what I wanted. I didn't want it to make it inside this, so it made it here. That's great. And this keep came, so keep means almost done. Okay, fine, it is still doing. So it has created some files, looks like calculator, time, date, tool, server. Okay, it has UI also. Oh, UI is not yet ready, and it has some examples, but so far the file is not created. It just created the folder structure. It is preparing, and then we'll need to study whatever we developed using this AI tools. Let's keep it. Okay, it is still doing it. I have created a full project and UI files. Wow, build success. Keep. It has created calculator, time, date, server. Wow, it has made something nice. What is imported? It's all Java, IO, and this. Oh, nothing from my library. I think it has taken. Import IO. Okay, this one. Model context protocol. That is this one only. This library which we have. And then this MCP and this local host and all is there. Okay, it is MCP Q compile. Fine, let me allow in this session, in this workspace. Always allow. Let give always allow. And okay, so it has done all this. Oh, again, always allow is there. Okay, fine, always allow. Okay, it has error also. Sometimes the libraries have errors, and then that cannot be corrected unless the new version of library comes. Let's see how it goes here. Working with AI is like working with one intelligent intern, which keeps doing all this work as we give the prompt and instructions. Okay, so it has made app.js, index.html, stylus, and form.xml, and readme. Okay, nice. It is loading. Run this, run that command. Okay, it is always allow commands in this section. Okay, curl process MCP. I hit a terminal working directory issue while starting the server. I'm restarting it. Okay. I hit a terminal working directory issue while starting server. Starting it from client. Maybe the library has some error. Skip. Verified runtime. Keep. Okay, it's going on, then I need to test it. Okay, finally it has created. So let's see, open this. Oh, nothing is working. I need to check what is happening here. Executed, run this, run this, run this. Okay. We need to check this. Here. Okay, let me open another terminal. Another terminal here. Downloads this. Okay, what is this command? This. Okay, here it came. It has done so fast. This cat launch list battery level. What is this commands? These are older commands, I think. Fine. So how do I test it? I need to ask this only, or maybe readme is there. So this is readme. Okay, here it is readme. Java, then Java SDK, DSP file. Install Java snapshot and MCP examples. Oh, it is not working. MCP endpoint, MCP. This example, this. I got error when I tried to open localhost 8080. So you execute this on my behalf. Okay, let's see what does it. This is still a problem. I think it is not working. I run a server from correct folder, verify this, and MCP respond exactly what to next live result. Running. Oh, running this. It has some internal error with this library. The terminal command was being run from the wrong directory, which triggered unrelated build errors from SDK. Okay. Running this exec Java. Okay, let's see, open this one. Now it's working. Nice. 5 and 3, run calculate. Oh, where is the answer? Here is the answer. Okay, time and date, time zone optional, run current time, waiting for action, click any button to start. Where here, waiting for an action. Okay, run current date, version 1, session established, run current date, time. Okay, it is making something. Okay, looks nice. So that's it for today. Let me stop the recording. Thank you for watching. See you.